guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Payday wig day, baby. Today's unit was sent to me by So Good BB, so I want to say thank you so much. So before we get started, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. This week, I'm going to be reviewing another Zury Sis unit. This unit is called Slay Lace H Olive. I have her in the color H27-430. This is what the unit looks like on the stock card. Now, this is a synthetic unit. It is hand tied. Heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is Sombre. It does come in other colors, a lot of nice colors. Sombre RT Cherry, Sombre RT Caramel. Okay, and on the back, it comes with care instructions on how to use the unit. Here's the unit, guys. Straight on out the pack. I'm liking this color already. It's nice and soft. This unit does come with lace. It has two combs like far on the side. It has a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. Okay, so I have cut the lace off of this unit, so let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Okay, I'm digging the color. So let me go ahead and spruce her up and let's see what we're really working with, okay? Okay guys, here you have it. Today I'm going to rate Miss Olive. I'm going to give her 4 Ks. Yeah! I had to think about that one. And let me tell you why. First of all, Miss Olive is tight as hell. Okay, now listen. I know I'm a part of the big head girl family. You know what I'm saying? You know, we got our little crew going on. But I usually can wear some units and I'm not worried about getting no damn headache. Immediately when I put this unit on, I was like, golly, like, where's my Advil? This unit is tight, okay? So it's small head friendly. Now, I love the color. I love the streaks that's going through it. I love the way it feels. I love the curl pattern. It gives me beachy, like, you know, like you just, I can't. It's like it's done, but it's not done kind of look, like a Jennifer Aniston kind of look. I love the length of this. It's like the perfect length. The part in space is okay. As you can see, I put some powder in it. You know, I'm not big on, you know, all that plucking. I don't have time for that. But, honey, she sheds just like that Zury Sis unit that I wore last week. This is the hair that came out of it. Now, I have combed it, and I think I have combed all the shedding out. You know, so it's like after you comb it, you comb all the shedding out, you good to go. This is some really nice hair. I wish it wasn't so tight. This is date night hair. This is vacation hair. This is Christmas party hair. This is, you have a meeting hair. Honey, this is just hair, okay? Like, they did that, but I had to subtract points for the shedding and also for the tightness of it. But is everything. Yes. Oh, yes, honey. This is cute. So Miss Olive, she is going to get 4Ks from me today. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back of this unit. Well, this is all that I have on today's unit, guys. You already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and then just sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, have a blessed week.